Are you struggling with column names that have dots in them while working with Spark DataFrames? You're not alone. This is a common issue that can really trip you up. Today, we're going to tackle this problem head-on and show you how to handle those pesky dots. I totally get it. It can be incredibly frustrating when your code runs into issues because of something as simple as a dot in a column name. Many users face this challenge, and it can feel like a roadblock in your data processing. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I convert columns from a data frame to an RDD of vectors when my column names contain dots? This is a tricky situation, but don't worry, we're going to break it down together. So what's the issue here? When you have dots in your column names, Spark can misinterpret them, leading to errors in your transformations. Understanding how to properly reference these columns is key to solving this problem. And stick around. At the end of this video, I have a great tip that will help you avoid this issue in the future. You won't want to miss it. To handle column names with dots in a data frame, the user should first ensure that the column names are properly escaped. This can be done by wrapping each column name in backticks. Next, the user should create a vector assembler. This tool will help combine the specified columns into a single vector column. The user needs to set the input columns to the escaped column names. After transforming the data frame, the user can select the new vector column. This will allow them to convert it into an RDD of vectors, which is essential for further processing. Finally, the user can proceed with their computations, such as performing singular value decomposition. This will allow them to analyze the data effectively. Fun fact: did you know that the dot operator in programming languages often signifies a property or method? In this case, it can also signify a headache if not handled properly. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user involves using Spark SQL. They suggest querying the data frame directly with a SQL command, allowing you to reference columns that contain dots in their names by enclosing them in backticks. Here's the tip I promised. Always standardize your column names before processing. Consider replacing dots with underscores or another character to avoid these issues altogether. And there you have it. You should now be able to handle data frame columns with dots in their names without any issues. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on working with Spark.